A herd of 100 magnificent Indian elephants ventured on a migration across the United States. Their journey started on July 4, 2024 in Newport, Rhode Island, then on to New York City in September, arriving at Miami Beach in November, Houston, Texas in April, Jackson Hole, Wyoming in May, Browning, Montana in June, and then finally arriving in Beverly Hills, California in July 2025. There were papa elephants, mama elephants, and baby elephants. They did not travel on foot like a typical migration because they were actually statues of elephants. Welcome to a viewing of the public art installation in the Meatpacking District of New York City from September 6th to October 20th, 2024. This exhibit was curated by the Real Elephant Collective. The Great Elephant Migration is a global fundraising adventure to amplify indigenous knowledge and inspire the human race to share space. The installation spanned several city blocks and covered a distance of about 1 kilometer. It started at West 17th Street and ended at Gansevoort Street. In addition, other statues were located along 9th Avenue. It has the goal of achieving 3 distinct impacts. Impact 1. Promoting human-wildlife coexistence. Rather than dividing our world into animal and non-animal places, we can use our ingenuity to share space and look after humans and animals alike. The migration supports remarkable people around the world who have found ways to live alongside some of the planet's most challenging animals. Impact 2. Freeing the forests. Each elephant is made from Lantana camara, the second most widespread invasive species in the world. This fast-growing toxic shrub has taken over 40% of forest in India, obliterating native plants and diminishing food sources for animals, pushing them out of forests and into urban areas, leading to an increase in human-wildlife conflict. The use of lantana to create the elephants helps remove the weed from protected areas. The project will restore vast areas of forest over the next 5 years, leaving wildlife more space to roam. Impact 3. A groundbreaking indigenous enterprise. Each elephant has been created by the Real Elephant Collective, a community of 200 indigenous artisans in India's Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Tamil Nadu. The collective has spent the past 5 years beautifully bringing to life every elephant they live alongside, in intricately detailed sculptural form. The creation of the sculptures provides financial stability, status, and pride to members of 4 tribes who coexist with the real wild elephants the herd is based on. A small plaque was posted beside every elephant showing its name as assigned by the collective. This effort celebrates indigenous knowledge and enables them to continue to be custodians and stewards of the forest in a modern context. The sculptures take 4 to 6 months to create, and each is a replica of a real wild elephant, known by name, appearance, and personality to the artisans in the Nilgiri Hills of southern India. The project is raising millions of dollars through donations and the sale of these magnificent statues. There are 4 members of an elephant family. The calves are the beloved baby members of the herd who can make themselves at home in both outdoor and indoor spaces. The adolescents are the teenagers of the herd. The next size up from the calves, they are loved for their curious and playful expressions. The matriarchs are the impressive female leaders of the herd. They guide the family unit with care, stability, and wisdom. The tuskers are the biggest and most magnificent male members of the herd, getting their name from their mighty tusks. Now let us immerse ourselves in the exhibit. Stand very still and let the elephants walk past us, feeling the magnificent power of these gentle giants. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and it was a pleasure to share it with you.